Safari, the happiest place.
The first and the only tiger safari in the Philippines. And by the way, my name is Rich.
And my name is Amor. Those birds can't wait to see you.
So, are you ready for the amazing bird show?
So sit back, relax, and get ready for this show that is especially created for you.
Amor, I have a simple question. What is a bird? What makes a bird different from other animals? Is it their pretty colors?
No, other animals like fish and insects come in all sorts of beautiful colors too.
Is it the bill or the beak?
No, other animals like knotweed, platypus, and mama have bills too.
Is it the egg?
No, other animals like reptiles, amphibians, insects, and even some mammals hatch from eggs as well.
Is it the wings?
No, other animals like insects and some mammals have wings.
Then what is it?
Feathers. All birds have feathers, and birds are the only animal that do. So, Reg, what do you think is the importance of feathers?
Let me think. Birds use their feathers as a protective covering to keep them warm, camouflage, and for mating display.
That's right.
Feathers help to fly by giving it life through the air currents. So now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for more? Oh, come on, I can hear you. Are you sure you're ready?
Well, focus your eyes, bring out your cameras, and get ready for birds in flight.
Maganda talaga, ano?
And that was simply sensational. Birds are one of the six basic groups of animals. They're best known for their ability to fly, which can be trained through their natural behavior. Bird training is not that easy to do. It requires patience, time, and proper enrichment. Now let us share with you how we train our animals here at the park. We use the system called positive reinforcement training. So whenever animals do a certain behavior that we want them to do, we give them anything they like as a reward. We do not punish, force, or hurt our animals. And in this way, we build a relationship based on trust. At this moment, we need your cooperation. Again, please remain seated during the presentation. Do not stand up, do not raise your hand, and refrain from making unnecessary noise or movements. So anyone from this side who has a pencil bill, please raise your hand. Yes, you ma'am, can you please stand up? Hello ma'am, happy morning. Your name is? Cat. Cat. Okay. So all you have to do, ma'am, is to hold the pencil bill into half and then do it twice again. So ma'am, are you ready? And since you are ready, let me introduce to you one of my friends, and this is Goldie. Goldie is our son junior and it originated from South America. Now, by recognizing a bill, let's do the test of intelligence. Wow, you got 20 pesos! I like this bird! You're learning, huh? How about from this side? Who has a higher bill?
Hindi
How
marunong
about a 50
magbalik.
peso bill? Yes, you, sir. You have a 50 peso bill, sir? How about a 100 peso bill? No, I'm just kidding. So, Goldie, would you want to send that money back to the owner? How will we get for Goldie? And of course, really fun and exciting. So, do you want to become an animal trainer? Again, do you want to become an animal trainer? Alright, so how many say they don't? Raise up your right hand. Now, how many don't care? Raise up your left hand. Anyone? Now, how many say they do? Raise up your buttons. Oh, trainers. Well, that's good. Now, to help us out, I'll be leading a young volunteer. A kid volunteer. Yes, you little girl. Hello, welcome to the happiest place. What is your name?
Tasty.
Kaisley, where are you from?
Coron.
Come again?
Coron.
Coron, alright, Kaisley. This is what we call an A to B training session. We simply call the animal into a specific location and we give them the reward. Sounds easy, right? Now hold up your right. Just like this. Don't do extra movements. And I call you by a whistle. Got confused. He gave you a reward instead. Now let me help you to click it out. Okay, take two. And Kaisley, this is your turn to call. All you have to do is to blow your whistle. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, blow it. A little louder. I think we need their help. So everybody, whistle as hard as you can. In 1, 2, 3, go! And that is why I thought that let's give a big round of applause for our young volunteer, Kaisley. Thank you so much, Kaisley. Enjoy your stay here. This time I'll be needing a lady volunteer instead. I need a lady volunteer. Okay, Faith already have a volunteer. Yes, ma'am, I need one here. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to Zoobic Safari. What is your name? Joyce. Joyce. And where are you from? Laguna. All the way from Laguna. Now, ma'am, are you excited to meet our next animal friend? Yes. And since you're very much excited, I'd like you to meet our charming umbrella cockatoo named Coco. Hello, Coco. Now, Coco, how are greetings to our lovely guest, Miss Joyce? How about to everybody? Good morning also, Coco. Now, Miss Joyce, I have a very simple question for you. Can you dance? Yes. Well, that's good because I think Coco would like you to join in dancing with the famous gentleman. Alright, thank you so much for such a good dancer, ma'am. Now let's see some demonstration that Coco learned here in Zoobic, and that is the handshake. How about on the other side? This time, Miss Joyce, I'll be giving you a chance to ask 2 questions to Coco, answerable only by yes. And if he nods his head, meaning he's saying yes. Are you ready? Yes. So what is your first question?
Am I pretty?
Coco, is she pretty? Yes, you're absolutely pretty according to Coco. How about the last question?
Am I sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? Oh, he's checking. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, Mom, you can ask him again.
Am I sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? Oh, I think we need one more question.
Am I cute?
Yes, you are! And don't you know that Coco is a sweet cockatoo? And this time he wants to give a kiss on his Nurse check. How about on the other side? Wow. What? You're telling something. You want to kiss Miss Joyce on her lips? Mom, won't you give him a chance?
Okay.
Alright, so let's move a little closer to Coco. Let's relax and bow your head. In 1, 2, 3, come closer. And that was so sweet. How would we get for Coco? And of course, our lady volunteer. But before you go, Coco and Miss Joyce, I want to make goodbye to everybody. Everybody say bye. Thank you so much, Mom. Enjoy your stay here. So this time we'll be meeting 2 young volunteers. Any young volunteer from this side?
So I need a volunteer from this side. Come on, if you're interested, all you have to do is to raise your hand. You want to be a volunteer, Ate? Come on.
Hello, happy morning. Your name is?
Come on, Ate.
Micah. Where are you from, Micah? Angeles City, Pampanga.
Are you here, cute little girl? Hello, happy morning. What is your name? What is your name? And where are you from? Where do you live? Anyway, now this morning, let us introduce to you our African great parrots named Mr.
And Timmy. Hello guys, birds love sports and for this morning, they're going to play basketball.
Now let's see some demonstrations. So kids, all they have to do now is to pass it over the bird and flop as a cheer. Now this side is for real. They will be captain for Mr.
And of course, Micah will be the team captain for Timmy. Are you ready?
Yes.
How many audience? Are you ready?
So this side will cheer for Mr.
And this side will cheer for Timmy.
So guys, have a big round of applause for Mr. Come on.
And how will we get for Timmy?
Now guys, I need your loudest scream for Mr. Come on, woohoo!
Alright, for the last time, give me your loudest cheer for Timmy. Now, trainers, are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Everybody, give it up for Timmy.
Hurry up, Mr. Come on, last one.
Alright, Mr.
Everyone, last one. Everybody cheer for Mr. Yes, we really won.
I'm sorry about that. We want some rematch.
You want a rematch? How about you guys? Do you want some rematch?
Now, trainers, are you ready? Ready? Go!
Come on, everybody cheer for Mr. I love your participation, Mr. You can do it. Oh, come on, Mr. Hurry up, hurry up. Come on, nice one.
We won.
So we need a decision game.
Alright, this is a decision game. Now, trainers, for the championship round, are you ready? Ready? Go!
Everybody cheer around, everyone. You can do it. Hurry up, come on, Mr. Second one. Come on, baby, hurry up, come on.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
And you get the
How will we get for Mr. Timmy and of course our young volunteers, same, Micah and Kate.
Oops. Careful. Thank you so much, kids. You will go back to your seats. Enjoy your stay. There are vast amount of bird species in our planet. Did you know that the number of species ranges from 9,000 to 10,000 individual species that belongs to over 227 birds families? And there are different types of birds. May present to you some type of birds that reappear in the park. And now, presenting the raptor family. This is a group of the birds known as the birds of prey. First is the sky, our Philippine scout's owl. This small owl is predominantly gray-brown in color with paler face that can be found in woodland. Next is Michael, our Philippine eagle owl. This is a vulnerable species of birds belonging to the Strigidae family. They are locally known as huwabo or bukao. Next is Grassy, our common grass owl, also known as the barn owl and sometimes called the monkey face owl because of its arching facial face and the absence of ear cups. Next is Ato, our Brahmini kite. It is locally known as Lawi and it is a medium-sized raptor that can live approximately 15 years in captivity. And last is Joe, our Philippine hawk eagle. It is a medium-large raptor that can grow 2 to 6 feet in length. Rockers are meat eaters and use their feet instead of their beak to capture prey. They have exceptionally good vision, both big and powerful legs with sharp and curved talons. Most raptors have muscular legs and they hunt by sight. How do we ground props for the raptor family?
Next group are tropical birds. Tropical birds can be found in the tropical climate, such as rainforest, and this group includes parrots, cockatoos, lorikeets, and corellios. Parrots are among the most lively and the most intelligent birds in the world. They're capable of making many calls and they can mimic sounds, such as human voices. By the way, with me is Picoy, our blue-named parrot. Today he is going to show to everybody how he loves to do exercises to keep himself physically healthy and properly stimulated just like humans. Now let's see some demonstration. Let's see how flexible he is by climbing on the ladder and slide down on his slide. Let's do it again, Picoy. Again, climb on the ladder, slide down on his slide, and this time, that's for the obstacle. For the last time, Picoy, let's do it again. So everybody, let's give a cheer because he's going to shoot this ball. Everybody say, go Picoy! Shoot that ball. There you go! What a nice snapshot there, Picoy. Watching you makes us sweat. I think Picoy is now ready for the Olympics. By the way, this parrot is endemic here in our country. It is also known as the Luzon parrot or the Philippine green parrot. And this bird can be found at the back of the new 500 peso bill. So check it out. How about a big hand for my friend, Picoy? And now, let us welcome back our African gray parrot named Sir. Don't you know that what we observe from Mr. is that every time he sees a vessel on the ground, he picks it up and tries to save it by putting on his coin box. I think Mr. needs help. And here in Zoobic Safari, we always care about animal welfare. And you can be a part of our mission in wildlife habitat conservation to save and protect nature by maintaining the balance in the ecosystem. And for those who have coins and willing to give it to Mr. Enrichment, you may do that right after the show. How about a big hand for Mr. Group are the Buserota Day or the hornbills. This is a family of birds found in the tropical and subtropical Asia, Africa, and Melanesia. It is characterized by long, flat, curved bill, which is frequently brightly colored and sometimes has a cast on the upper mandible.
And here in the Philippines, we have three types of hornbill. The rufous hornbill or the buceros, the Palawan hornbill or the anthracoceros, and the Tanutic hornbill or the Penelopides. And now, to show you the different kinds of rufous hornbill, let me call on Edward.
Edward is a Luzon rufous hornbill.
Also known as the Buceros hydrocorax. And to our valued guests, please remain seated and avoid unnecessary movements. And this is what we call an APC training session.
Rufous hornbill is locally known as Calao. They are considered the largest hornbill in the country and one of the longest living birds because Edward can live approximately 50 years in captivity.
How about a big hand for
Edward!
And now, let me call on Rafi. Hornbills are omnivores, which means their diet consists of fruits, insects, and small animals.
And as you can see, Rafi catch the food at the tip of its beak, and since they have short tongue to manipulate it, they toss it to their throat with a jerk of its head.
By the way, Rafi is our Mindanao rufous hornbill, also known as the Buceros hydrocorax mindanensis. How about a big hand for Rafi? And now, to differentiate the two kinds of rufous hornbill, let us welcome back Edward, our Luzon rufous hornbill. Luzon rufous hornbill, like Edward, has a full red cast.
While Mindanao rufous hornbill, like Rafi, has a half red and half white to the end of its beak.
Now, are you wondering how a young rufous hornbill looks like? Now, please say welcome, Beppy. Beppy is a young rufous hornbill. It is characterized by a black cast, and as it grows older, it turns to brown to red like Edward and Rafi.
And now, presenting the medium-sized hornbill, our Palawan hornbill, named
Koi Koi.
it is characterized by full black feathers and white cast and is locally known as Talusi.
And now, to show you the smallest hornbill in the country, let me call on Al. Al is our Luzon Tanutic hornbill. They are also known as the Penelopides manilae, and they can be found in the northern part of the Philippines. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, the different types of hornbill.
The rufous hornbill, the Palawan hornbill, and the Tanutic hornbills. How about a big hand for the hornbills?
And here are the other types of birds. Birds are the medium size of freshwater diving birds, the Grebes family. And now, please welcome Jessie and the geese. Geese are waterfox and domesticated, bred as poultry for the meat, eggs, and down feathers since ancient time. Geese are monogamous and live in permanent pair throughout the year. Thank you very much, Jessie and his wonderful friends with geese. Now everybody, they would love to hear you clapping. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. One louder, put your hands together. How will this like one? People out there, clap your hands. So here, the native dogs. Come on, everybody, just keep on clapping. They really love to hear you clapping. Ducks have left feet, broad bodies, and flattened beaks. There are different types of ducks that can be found in all continents except Antarctica. So I just keep on clapping. Male ducks are called gray and female are called hen or duck itself. And the baby one Go on your trouble, make them faster, come on. And we have here the mallard ducks, locally known as ipi, where case the root comes from. Don't you know that they are monogamous animals and their feathers are waterproof? And here were some of our domesticated animals, our sunshine chickens. Sunshine chickens are imported from France and becoming the favorite of most chicken raisers. And the group will not be complete without the American turkeys. Turkey is a large bird in the genus Melagris. They are also known as game birds because they are being hunted for their tasty meat. And now, last but not the least, here comes the largest and the fastest animal in two legs belongs to the Latin family, our ostrich. Ostrich can run approximately up to 70 kilometers per hour. And you can determine if it's a female or a male. Those with black feathers are the male, and those gray feathers, like this one, is a female.
Ba't
And
dito
as you notice, they are the only birds with two toes. Don't you know that their brain is only as size as peanut or manip, and their eyeball is as size as golf balls. So if we think their eyeballs is bigger than their brain. And with that, how about a big hand for the ostrich? Now, folks, that you have met some of our wonderful animal friends, now is the right time to talk about them.
The reason why these animals are here is because they serve as the ambassadors of their own species and the environment which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat.
In behalf of the Zoobic Safari Management, we would like to remind you of your contribution to the environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and respect. Maraming salamat po. See you on your next visit. We present to you Zoobic Safari's Amazing Bird Show. Thank you so much everyone for watching and enjoy your stay here at the happiest place, Zoobic Safari. And for all our guests, please check your belongings before leaving the Cafe Montezuma and watch your steps while going down the bleachers area. Once again, everybody, check your belongings before leaving the Cafe Montezuma and watch your steps while going down the bleachers area. And by the way, for those who want to have a photo souvenir with our Palawan Hornbill name, Koi for only 50 pesos using your own camera. And for those who have coins and willing to give it to Mr. for his arrangement, you can come up here on the stage. Anyone will be appreciated and will go to Mr.'s enrichment.